All right, folks, we have a gorgeous looking scooter here. This is the GR575 Golden Patriot scooter. This is a four-wheel scooter. It's the model GR575 Golden Patriot. This scooter here has a 400-pound weight capability. It has 13-inch solid tires. The front are 13-inch by 3.5-inch wide. The back are 13-inch by 5-inch wide. So the back tires are 5-inch wide. The front ones are 3.5-inch wide. It has a range of about 24 miles. That's up to 24 miles. That depends on the weight of the user. If you have a 400-pound user, you're not going to get 24 miles. So up to 24 miles. It has a 400-pound capability. Independent suspension all the way around. You have suspension in the back, suspension in the front. You have the whole lighting package on this scooter. You also have 2 drink cup holders over here. You have an emergency brake over here. This is a pillow top seat, folks. What that means, you have your seat right here, but you have a pillow top on top of it. If you want to swivel the seat on this one, you push down, and you can see the seat on this one is 20 inches wide by 18 deep. 20 wide, 18 deep. These arms do flip up. They do not go out, so they do flip up like this, and they are adjustable right here. There's a little adjustment right here that you can adjust the tip of the arm like this. The width between the arms on this scooter is 22 inches. So if you want to know the width of the arm inside the scooter is 22 inches. So it's a swivel seat that goes probably all the way around if you don't hit the tiller. The tiller up front is adjustable. On the front of the scooter, let me bring it forward. You'll be able to see. On the front of the scooter right here, there's a lever. If you pull the lever up, you can drop the tiller, or this is as far as it'll go up, okay? So a couple things about the seat. The seat right now is a little high. You have 3 settings on this seat. On the pole, before you put the seat on, before you put the seat on your scooter, take the cover off and decide what height you're going to want the seat. You got 3 holes, they're 1 inch apart. Right now it's sitting in the middle hole. The height right now in the middle hole to the top of the seat is about 31 inches. From the deck to the top of the seat is 21 inches. So 21 inches from here to here, 31 inches from here to here. If you lower the seat down 1 inch, then everything's 1 inch less. If you raise the seat up another inch, there's 3 holes, and then it's all 1 inch more, okay? So, fantastic seat on this scooter. You have running boards on the front. You have bumpers. Look at this bumper in the, look at that bumper in the front. You can actually see the suspension under here, which we'll show you in a few minutes. We'll do some pictures of it. And you can see the back of the scooter. You can see the back of the scooter. You have suspension on both sides. Also with this scooter, you have a flag. The flag will slide down. There's a little hole right here. You can see it right there. I'm going to slide the flag down. This is really neat. If you needed to push this scooter, there's your neutral lever right here. So if you pull it back, you can hear that the scooter's telling you I'm in neutral. So if you're going to push it, turn the key off so you won't hear that. And when you turn the key off, it rolls a lot easier. So this one rolls real easy in neutral. If you ever turn the key on and you hear this noise, turn the key back off. Turn the key back off. Go put your scooter in drive, and then turn your key on. That resets the computer, and now we can drive the scooter again. All right, so you have large display on here, but let me get back to the tires. These are not air tires, these are solid tires, okay? I know the manual says, but they're upgraded now to solid. These are solid tires. On your dashboard right here, you have high and low speed. So if you want to go slow, You don't want to go full speed. There's a button right here for high and low speed. You have a large display. You have full LED lights. You have horns. You have flashers. And there we go. Let me show you this way. You can see the flashers will stop as soon as you let go. Flashers right, flashers left. And you also have hazards, front, back, and of course you have your headlights for driving at nighttime. And you have the same thing here. You have your LED headlights, as you can see. There's your LED headlights. And you have your flash, your hazards right here. You have two mirrors. When you install your mirrors, put them on the inside right here, and you'll figure it out. It took me about 5 minutes. You have a mirror for each side. You have an emergency brake here. So the scooter has a built-in motor with an electromagnetic brake. So this scooter will stop on its own when you let go. But if you're nervous, you're going really fast, you need to stop faster, you have an emergency brake right here that will stop your scooter even faster, okay? The floorboard on this scooter, I am 6 foot tall, 180. So you can see I have 12 inch foot. There's 3 inch left. So you actually have like 15 inch in here. So you got plenty of room. So if you have big feet, you need to get in. You can also put your foot here when you drive. This will be too far for me. So what I would do, I would bring this down over here. And this is also a sliding seat. You notice how I just slid the seat forward? So I would drive this scooter just like this, or my feet here, or I can slide the seat back. Okay, so you have plenty of room. So if you want to know what you have here, let me go back over here. So if you put the tiller all the way up, you would have from the tiller to maybe about here, you have about a foot. To the seat, we have about 10 inches, maybe a foot to here. So if you have a large stomach, a lot of people ask me how much room do we have here. Just to give you a heads up, we have quite a bit of ground clearance on this scooter. So right here we have 6.75 inches, 6.75 inches. This scooter is 57 inches long. 57 inches long, the length of the scooter. The width of this scooter is 28 inches. 28 inches this way. Now with the seat, you're 27 inches, so you're fine. So the seat is within the wheels. So the width is 28 inches, the length is 57 inches. If you need to know, from the middle of the front wheel to the middle of the back wheel, middle to middle is 42 inches. So from the middle of the front wheel to the middle of the back wheel right here is 42 inches. From the bumper to the back is 57 inches, folks. So right now this scooter comes in 2 colors, the red that you see here and also in orange color, and I think they're talking about coming out with a black one. But we have red right now, and we definitely have orange and red. So let's recap. This is the GR575 Golden Patriot 4-wheel scooter. 13-inch in front tires, solid tires by 3.5. 13-inch in the back by 5 inches wide. The seat on this scooter is 20 inches wide. It's a pillow top seat. It's a swivel seat, 20 inches wide by 18 deep. It's an adjustable back like this. The arms flip up. You have 22 inches between the arms. You do have a flag with your scooter. The top speed on this scooter is 8 miles an hour, which will give you about 24 miles, up to 24 miles on the battery charge. Again, it all depends on the weight of the user, how you're using your scooter. That's best condition will be 24 miles. You have 2 drink cup holders, you have an emergency brake, 2 mirrors, independent suspension all the way around. You have a 400-pound weight capability. You have running boards. It has 2 75 amp batteries in here. The width of the scooter again is 28 inches wide, 57 inches long. From middle of wheel to middle of wheel is 42 inches. The seat has 3 positions, 3 inches. You can go up and down. Right now we have it in the middle position, so you can go up 1 more inch or go down 2 more inches. Okay. You have flashers, hazard, LED light. You have a charger to come with your scooter. When you charge the scooter, you will plug your charger on the other side. So the charger port is on this side. There's a little door you open up. You plug your cord right here, so it's below, it's on the left side, right above the cup holder is where you charge your scooter right there. The charger will stop charging once the batteries are full. So folks, this is again the 4-wheel Golden Patriot heavy duty scooter. If you're looking for a sharp looking scooter, heavy duty with big wheels for the yard, I would highly recommend this one. So this is the Patriot, Golden Patriot with a 400-pound weight capability. And when you stop, you got a reverse here. And when you stop, it has a built-in brake over here on the electromagnetic brake, so your scooter's only going to go a couple more feet and it's locked in gear. So we're going to take it in the grass here, we're going to take it in the road so you can see what it looks like. So right now I've got it on low speed. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to make the speed a little faster. Now we're going to go 10 miles and up to, this goes up to 10 miles an hour. So now we're going to go full speed with it. So this is up to 10 miles an hour. I'm going to take it in the grass here a little bit. I'm going to go over here. There's about a 4 or 5 foot incline right here. You'll see how easy it goes up. No problem at all there. And you'll see when we go down here, it's about a 4 or 5 feet down incline, up to a 3-inch lip right here. No problem. So folks, this is the Golden Patriot with a 400-pound weight capability, up to 400-pound capability. The speed is up to 10 miles an hour. Solid. This one has solid tires. This is an upgrade on this one with the solid tires. It has the manual brake here, the mirrors, and you can see the dashboard with the speed when I was driving it. Just a great heavy-duty, fast scooter if you need something with a larger seat, sliding seat, just a super nice scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.